Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, New Growth Naturals. I'm so excited. So this video is long overdue. I should give you all a tour of my natural hair salon long ago, but y'all know how it is. I'm really busy, so I'm so excited. And just in case we're meeting for the first time, my name is Samantha. I'm a natural hair specialist. I specialize in natural hair care, natural hair styles, and most importantly, I'm also a hair loss practitioner. I treat hair loss issues, so if you have hair loss issues, email me, newgrowthnaturals@gmail.com. With all that said, this video is dedicated to my subscribers. And just in case it's up here in your feed, thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any question in regards to your natural hair health. But this video is specifically dedicated to my subscribers. I'm not editing that out. I'm tired to edit this video. Anyway, without further ado, before I give you a tour of the salon, I would like you to see clips from the hard-working men that made this possible. Like the guys that came together and put in all this beautiful work that you see behind me and everything else in the salon. I like to see you that you see the whole makeup, how they did it. It was done really quickly. I'm really appreciative, you guys. If you ever watch this video, which I will make sure that you do, thanks a million. I couldn't have done it without you. And thanks to my business partners that came together, that gave me the opportunity to choose this design, to do whatever I felt that would really make this natural hair salon pop. I am forever grateful, and I'm so comfortable up in this space. With all said, without further ado, let's get into it. So it was day one, and this was the space that we had to work with. I wanted to take note of something. It is a very small space, so we had to do the best with to make it work, and also it was poorly lighted. So these are the two entrances that were there. This was a grill supposed to be here, and one is right here, but I decided because it was a salon, we want to have some privacy, so I was going to block off this area and create a hanging flower garden there. Yeah, and that's Steven having fun while we're working. So I wanted an organic, down-to-earth, natural look. Like, I did not want a polished look at all. I wanted whenever somebody was there for them to feel earthy, like they're kind of like outside, but in a very relaxing way on the inside. So I decided I was going to use Pallet. Pallets are just so awesome. The look that I want, they just fit in so well. And I'm just gonna give props to these guys, Greg Dacres and Gary, that was here constantly helping out. You guys have been so awesome. Like, you guys worked so hard. You worked with the vision. Even though at first you did not understand what I wanted, when I showed you the pictures and explained to you what I wanted, you guys caught it and you encouraged me that it was going to be beautiful, and that was just so priceless. So this is what the partition looks like, and I just absolutely love the contrast with the palettes, the different shades that they had. That's exactly what I wanted. Right here where the board is, we blocked out the window that was there previously, simply because I wanted to have more space right there. I did not want a window there, and I want to put a partition right where Greg is standing for my little clinic area. So like you can see, the guys worked with me. They cut out the pallets the way I wanted them to be cut out, and they did exactly what they were told. So again, you guys, if I could hug you right now for being so awesome. Thank you so much. So for the shelves, I didn't want the standard salon look where you had like the stations. I wanted shelves because of the amount of products I know that I would have been using, and the fact that the space was small. So I said, you know, the pockets on the pallet, I was just going to add bottoms to them, and then I could put small bottles and jars through the pockets, and then on top of the pallet I could put taller bottles and jars. Yeah, that's what I was going for. And here I am helping with some painting work. Yeah, it was after work and on weekends. Well, not really weekends, because I was working every Sunday, and y'all know every Saturday I was in church all day. But in the nights mostly, that's when these guys came and did the work. Really grateful for the work that they put into this. So while Gary and I were painting, everything was being completed. Like, this place looks so chaotic right now. That's because we're still working. But I wanted to point out that I added the ropes through the pallet because it looks so cute. So it gave the impression that the ropes were holding the pallets to the wall, like, you know, they're hanging on the wall right there. But actually they're already mounted to the wall. Yeah, I thought that was genius. So this will be our shampoo area, and my good friend and elder from church, Goulburn, is working diligently on it. I just want you to know, Elder Goulburn, you're so awesome. Thanks so much for the hard work that you put into this for us and for making our dreams come through. The backdrop at the top wasn't totally completed, but no worries, guys. As soon as he was done with this. And these are my chandeliers. Yes, they are DIYs. I made them myself. And Gary decided that Gary's also an electrician, guys. Yeah, he wears many hats. So he was doing the work for me to get the lightings up to par. So I decided I wanted to put the chandeliers over the 2 stations, and then you'd add other lightings all over to make the place lighted. So this is what it looks like. Voila, cute. I thought so too. That's a touch of me. That's my hand and the work right there. So yeah, we're partially completed. Yeah, everything looking nice. Everything is in place. We're still working on it. And Steven is still here having fun. Steven had all the fun. So the partition is right here to go to my little office space where I'd have my hair loss clinic, just for privacy for all those clients that come in with hair loss issues and want it to be treated, and for consultation. This is my famous water fountain. Yeah, I got it as a gift. Thanks to the person that gave me this water fountain who wants to remain anonymous. You are so awesome. And this is my hanging garden. The finished touch, guys. I know you guys love it. Let me know if you love it, by the way. Let me know the favorite part of the salon. This is the shampoo area, the backdrop, and also, you know, the towel hangers. Though I came up with those design as well. I came up with all the design inside this place. I'm not a designer. I'm not an interior decorator either. I just know what I wanted my space to look like. And this looks like me. This is everything in here is like me, like what I want. So this is a finished look, guys. This is what the salon looks like. This is the stations. I have 2 stations over here. You know, everything is board, earth theme, plants. All my plants that you're looking at, they're real plants. So they're not plastic. They're actually real plants that need sun and water and earth. And Steven having fun again. Steven was there from day one. I think his favorite part of the salon is the fountain. So from now on, when I play my videos, well, you guys have been hearing it in my live stream, the water trickling down. That's where it came from, that fountain. I am just in love with my hanging flower garden. I need more plants though, but don't worry. In due time, we'll get those. So at this point in time, my little clinic area is partially done. The partition is fully done, and I want to say thanks to the person that did the partition on wheel. I could open and close my little door. You're so awesome. Thank you very much. So the wall needs to be painted because they blocked out a door that was leading to another room right here on the wall. So we need to paint it and all, but we already started working in that area, and as time progresses we'll improve it the way I want it to be. You know, you guys know how it is, little by little. I don't know why message coming in now. I'm not editing this out, guys. So this is me, guys. So happy that you came on the tour with me. So happy that you're here from day one. God bless you all.